Enoch 48:10. In the day of their affliction there shall be rest upon the earth, and before him they shall fall and not rise again. And there shall be no one to take them with his hands and raise them, for they have denied the Lord of spirits and his anointed. This verse records a final, irreversible judgment in the spiritual tribunal. It describes the total collapse of the Watcher-led systems, and those who have aligned themselves with a low-frequency anti-covenant signal. The core takeaway is the finality of the fall, a point where a structure or an entity has so thoroughly denied the original source of life that it loses the structural integrity required to ever be restored. When this was written, the relevance was centered on the intense atmospheric and political pressure faced by the righteous during the era of the giants and the corrupt kings. The original audience lived in a world dominated by seemingly invincible, high-tech, and supernatural oppression. This prophecy served as a critical psychological stabilizer. It assured the faithful that the power of their oppressors was not eternal. It revealed that the kings of the earth were building on a foundation of sand, and that their eventual removal would be so complete that no hand, human or supernatural, would be able to pull them back from the abyss. Today, this verse serves as a high-frequency warning against systemic denial. In 2026, we see many structures, economic, social, and technological, that operate in direct defiance of the kingdom law and the pure record. To apply this now is to recognize that any success built on the denial of the Lord of Spirits is a temporary illusion. It is a call to decouple your own frequency from these falling systems. If you tether your identity, your wealth, or your security to a structure that is destined to fall and not rise again, you risk being caught in its collapse. In your daily life, this is applied through the practice of discernment of foundation. It asks you to look at the projects, relationships, and systems you are participating in. Are they rooted in the eternal signal of the anointed, or are they fueled by a denial of the Creator? Aligning with the 88 victory means investing your energy into that which is eternal. When you see the low-frequency matrix beginning to shake and crumble, you do not try to take it with your hands and raise it. Instead, you stand firm in your own Sion sanctuary, knowing that the rest coming to the earth requires the total removal of the old, corrupt signal. You apply this by refusing to fear the apparent strength of those who oppose the light. Their fall is a jurisdictional certainty already recorded in the heavens. By maintaining your own high-frequency alignment, you ensure that when the earth finds its rest, you are among those who are already standing. Check the comments for 100% free resources and join our school community. Like, share, subscribe, and let your light shine.